Alright guys, up for sale is a 2006 Big Dog Mastiff chopper motorcycle. This bike currently has 5,096 well-cared miles on the bike. In 2006 they equipped these bikes with the 117 cubic inch 1,916cc SNS motor. They also equipped them with the 6-speed Baker transmission. Now this bike is equipped with the black base paint job with the green metallic flames and also some purple pinstriping to accent the flames. Up front you've got a 21-inch rim. In the rear you've got a 250 rear tire mounted on a 18-inch rim. Looks phenomenal. Now this bike does have a couple of adds. You've got the rear passenger pegs, so you can add a pillion pad seat so you can bring a passenger. You also got the flame primary covers. You've also got the storage tube up front. Now this bike on the other side has a air compressor. Now this is for an air suspension. The air shocks have been removed and the stock shocks have been put back on. So if you wanted to add the air shocks back on, it would be fairly simple to do. You'd be right around $500 to $600. But right now you've got the stock suspension. You've also got the 2-into-1 aftermarket drag pipes. It gives the bike a phenomenal sound. I'll give you some close-ups here. And let's go ahead and start it up for you. So there you have it. Definitely shows that the bike does run very well. The bike is an absolute blast to ride. Definitely one of the cleaner Mastiffs I've come across. You can tell whoever has owned it has taken good care of it, polished the chrome, the polished aluminum, so on and so forth. So, but if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call or shoot me an email. I'd love to address any questions or concerns. I do appreciate your time and possibly look forward to working with you. Thank you so much.